Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the car and removing interference. This protects components and prevents shocks. Use a 10mm and 12mm socket to remove top bumper bolts first, then pry plastic clips with a trim tool to free the splash shield. Once done, take off any under tray panels and the wheel liners where bumper bolts hide, and make sure to keep fasteners organized by location. This early sequence speeds later reassembly and exposes the mounting points you'll work on next. You now focus on the complex middle steps that free the bumper from the chassis. With the bumper supported by one hand or a stand, remove side and lower bolts evenly to avoid stressing tabs. Once the fasteners are loose, unclip fog light and sensor connectors, and label each plug so reconnection is immediate. Once all bolts and clips are released, gently pull the bumper outward from the wheel arches while checking for hidden clips. This prevents tabs from snapping. Keep parts organized for smooth reinstallation. You finish by removing the bumper completely. Lift straight off with a helper and place it on padding to avoid scuffs. Inspect all tabs and clips. If any are cracked, replace them now so the next install seals evenly. Once you're ready to reinstall, test fit the bumper and make minor adjustments. Make sure bolts thread easily and clips engage. If alignment issues persist, check for bent brackets or obstructions, clean mating surfaces, and only then torque hardware to spec to avoid overstressing plastic parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.